A Galaxy S24 might suddenly stop receiving phone calls due to issues such as poor cell reception, especially if the device is in an area with weak signal strength. If you have this issue, then the first thing you need to do is to check your phone's reception. You may experience call issues if you're in an area with poor cell reception, or if there is an issue with the network. Just check the network bars on the upper right corner of your screen. If there are few to no network bars, move to a spot with a stronger signal. However, if your phone is getting a decent reception and the problem continues, then move on to the next solution. What you need to do next is to enable airplane mode for a few seconds. This will disconnect the phone from the network for a few seconds. Just swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the airplane icon. Wait a few seconds and then tap on it again to disable it back. After doing that, try to see if the problem is fixed, because if not, then try restarting your phone. Minor software glitches that could be causing your phone to act improperly can often be fixed by a restart. To do it, press and hold the power and volume down buttons on your Galaxy S24. When the options show, tap on the restart option and then confirm it. Now wait for the phone to finish restarting and try to see if the problem is fixed or not. Another thing you should do if the problem persists is to reset the mobile network settings on your phone. This will fix cellular issues, including calling problems. To do that, just launch settings and scroll all the way down. Tap General Management and then tap Reset. Select Reset Mobile Network Settings and then tap Reset Settings to proceed. It will take just a few seconds to reset the mobile network settings, and the problem should already be fixed after that. If the issue persists, then you have to call your carrier, as it can be an account or network-related issue. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.